Hello. Today I want to make a texture pattern that I can repeat on other workpieces. I want to thank 4 people who've recently donated to the channel. They are Jerry S. Hodges, Larry Fetters, Corey Backlund, and Matthew West, helping to keep the channel alive. Big thanks. I decide to use a bigger punch for these indentations. I really need to make a holdfast. Alright, enough of this. I'm calling in the big guns. I made my wife my striker for 1 heat. So now I want to imprint that texture into this piece. I'm honestly not sure how this is going to go. The indents on this tool are deep and the raised areas are thick, so this is slow going. With some imagination, you really could make any pattern you want and then make that easily repeatable on future workpieces. So I think you get the gist of what I was trying to accomplish. I think the pattern on the tool is more interesting than on the workpiece. But now the workpiece can be turned into a tool to easily recreate the pattern on the tool. Am I making any sense? Basically, what I'm trying to say is I now have a negative and a positive. I hope this gives you some ideas for your own projects. Catch you guys next time.